Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Windows update error 0x800703f9. There are problems installing some updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep saying that and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may helpful guys. Good. Let's jump straight into it, guys. Go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Open troubleshoot setting. Click on other troubleshooters. Click on Windows Update Run. Check for Windows Update issue you want detected. You want to check Windows Update is there. Windows Update, click on it. Check for update. Security intelligence update for Microsoft Defender antivirus is installing. If you installed this, after installing this, if you're not getting problem solved, go to search menu and type cmd. Open it. Run as administrator. Click yes. Now check my description for commands, guys. First command I'm copying. Copy. Tap the bar, right click, edit, paste it. Press enter. Being system scan, this will take some time. This verification percentage need to be 100%, guys. After finishing this 100%, go and copy the next command, guys. In my description of video, copy it. Tap the bar, right click, eject, paste it. Press enter, guys. After finishing this 100%, go ahead and restart your PC, guys. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys like it. I hope this tutorial will definitely work for you guys. Thanks for watching my video, guys.